Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create talking avatars just like me using your own image, all for free. From generating the prompt to making your avatar say whatever you want, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in.
Alright, so for the generating of your prompt, we will first go to Chatgpt. Chatgpt is going to give us the prompt to create your own avatar using your own image. So since I want this video to be very short, I've already given the command to Chatgpt. I said give me a prompt that I can use to create my own avatar using my image. Okay, I made it very simple. Now if you want, you can add the kind of background you want, probably maybe a village setting, office setting. I just wanted it simple, and ChatGPT gave me a simple prompt for it. So for this particular prompt, I'll just copy this prompt and take it to Google AI Studio. Okay, just type Google AI Studio and search on Google. This first one with black icon, you click on it. Now it's going to take us to Google AI Studio, where you will see the first one, not this, the Gemini. You click on the Gemini and then go down to the nano banana, the last nano banana, and click on it. Just click on it and you are ready to use the nano banana. Then you come to this plus sign by your right and click to upload the image, your image that you want to use to create this avatar. So I'll upload a file. Okay, this is the file, and then I'm going to be pasting the prompt. Here it is, I've pasted the prompt, and then I'm going to click on run. Please make sure that the photo you're using has no filter whatsoever. If you really want the avatar to look so much like you, make sure that there is no filter on your photo. I'll be clicking on run. Okay, so I've been trying to create the avatar, but it's still giving me the same picture. So I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT to get that prompt that can give me what I want. Okay, so I can just come to this prompt. I asked it to give me this prompt in 3D, so let me copy this prompt and see what it will do with this Google AI Studio using this same picture. No, first let's do it this way. Let me say I want it to be an office setting and I'll be dressed casually. Okay, now I can pick any of this. Let me pick this and copy, and then I'm going to be using it for this image. So it gave me this. Let's just make use of this. I'll be clicking on the download up here, so this video won't take us much time. Okay, so the next tool we'll be using, the next software we'll be using is what we call Pippit. So we're clicking on Pippit for image to talking avatar. Okay, so here, this is where I make my avatar talk. Now there's one step that I think I skipped. Okay, we'll come back to ChatGPT and ask it to give me a 15 seconds narrative script for this avatar with the tone for each and action, because you'll be needing that. So take that. Let's see what we do with that. So after that, I had to instruct ChatGPT to separate the action from the narrative script so that I can be able to copy it separately. So I instructed it to make the action separate from the narrative script. And after it did that, I had to copy the actions separate and the narrative script separately. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. This is what my avatar will be saying. Copy. Then I'll come here. I'll go to playground. Go back to playground. I'll come to Google AI Studio. Okay, then click on audio. This is where you'll be generating your audio. You can click on any of these two here. So let me use this last one, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview. So yes, I'll click on, this is for multiple speaker audio. I'm going to be clicking on single speaker audio. Then you come to voice down here and choose a female voice. Okay, you can play each one to know which one is a female voice. Something awesome today? And which one is a male voice. Okay, so this one is a female voice I'll be using. So I'll click on that and then come here where they say style instruction and add Nigerian tone. Read aloud in a warm and friendly Nigerian lady tone. You can give it the instruction you want and then come here and paste my narrative script. Okay, I'll paste it and then click on run. I click on run and allow it to run for some seconds.
Let's make today
so
productive.
I have already generated it and I'm currently playing the voice and it's giving me what I want. So I'll click on these three dots and download. Now going to my Pippit, I'll go straight to AI talking photo. I'll click on AI talking photo right here. When you click on it, it's going to direct you to the place where you'll be converting your photo to talking avatar. Okay, so here will be, let me quickly copy the actions for this avatar. Copy. Then I'm coming to my Pippit for talking photo. Now here, this is where you upload your avatar and your script, your voiceover, which I already generated, and then your actions, and then everything is just, Pippit does a great job with talking avatars. And one thing you need to know again is that Pippit only allows 2 talking avatar generation, just 2 for a day if you're using the free version. So here I'll be dropping my photo, the one I downloaded. Let's see, here it is. I open, click on done and allow it to load. So like I was saying, for the free version of Pippit, you can just generate only 2 talking avatar per day. Okay, so you should just give this a try. I'll click on next and I'll be this is the character that I'll be talking. Then I'll add, if you want this particular site to be the one to give you the voiceover you want, you can just paste your script of what the avatar will be saying. And I think, yes, here down here you can choose a voice. You see, choose a voice that you want. They have a voice library, but me, I actually prefer generating my own audio on Google AI Studio and uploading it here. So I'll be uploading that audio here. Upload it, make sure it is less than 30 seconds. That's why I asked Chatgpt to give me a 15 seconds narrative script, if you can remember. So from here you will just paste the action. I'll be pasting the action. You see, this is the action. Okay, then I will just click on export because that's all. And then here you can choose to name it, change the name, whatever name you want. You can choose either with Pippit watermark or without the watermark. So I'll be clicking on without the watermark and then you click download. Okay, it will first put here before it starts actively downloading. Okay, so let's give it some minutes. So yes, it's already downloaded on my system. If it did not automatically download on your device, you can just click on the download next to the video, as you can see, the one I generated on November 28th here. So my video has been downloaded. Now let's move to my file manager and see what Pippit did with my avatar.
Today, I'm working on something exciting, and I can't wait to bring you along with me. Let's make today productive and a little bit fun.
I was not totally satisfied with the actions of my avatar, probably because the action I gave it on Pippit was not well detailed. So if you are going to be generating your own, make sure to ask Chatgpt to give you a very detailed action for it, so that your avatar can move in a way that looks realistic and give you a better result for your talking avatar. Okay, so for my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my animated film, because I also make animated films, and I'm going to be introducing you to tools that you can use for free to make your animated film. You can start as a YouTuber. You can start with nothing but just your data and your device. Okay, you can even do this on your phone. Also, I would like to add that if you don't want to go through the stress of creating an AI avatar, you can use your photo, your image, and upload it on Pippit and make it to talk, if you don't want to go through this stress. Okay, so with that being said, this is the end of this video. Give it a try, and don't forget to leave your reviews under the comment section. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for taking your time to go through this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to anyone you think may need this video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.